So today, I'm gonna to showing you how our team imply the lean production into the older system. So first of all, uh, this is the picture showing the function that we're gonna to imply into the older system. So we're gonna use the engineering, which include the product life management and the bill of material and the versioning to the next stage, which is manufacturing, engineering, and the quality. So in this stage, Nearest activity includes the routines and the worksheet. And in the quality part, there will be alarm and the control points and the check. To the final stage, things like planning and the control panels, work orders will be involved. In the final part, the maintenance, we will maintenance the equipment and manage our facility. So here is the mindset that we're gonna to imply into our system. The first one is automatic scheduling. So we will use the master production scheduling to manage our inventory and the working plan. The second one is that we are gonna to follow the minimum stock rules. And final one is about make to order. So to manage our plan, we're also gonna use a Gantt chart to give us some visual support and the capacity planning and adjustment. The final one is about job shop scheduling. So here is our product. It's a sketcher of our product, which show his bill of bones. It consists of the 4 chair legs and 1 set and 2 chair arm and 1 chair back. So next part, my friend Kexin will showing her idea about the purchasing plan.
So for the purchasing plan, first we can see the purchase page in the Odoo. First of all, we can see the request of quotation. We can see that there are 2 quotations and their stations are all purchase order. And after that, we can see the purchase orders. We have 2 purchase orders and both of them are in the waiting billing stations. And we also have 1 vendor, which name is ABC company. And after the basic information, we can see that first of all, for our purchasing, there are purchase lead time, and there are also many uncertain factors of future material supply or demand. So to solve these problems, we can use automatic scheduler to reduce this kind of problems. So there are 3 numbers which are so important. They are safety inventory, minimum inventory, and maximum inventory. And for make sure the safety inventory of each material, we can use ABC analysis. For the bolt and nut, you can see that it is C level, so there are no need safety inventory. And for the leather, we can see that it is A level inventory, so there can be some suitable safety inventory. And for the timber, it is B level, so we can have safety inventory. And for that, safety inventory, there are some functions, but because we don't know some function fitness function, so we just use half of the order quantity to be the safety inventory. And if we want to make the safety inventory and a maximum minimum inventory in the auto page, we can do that like this. We go to the manufacturing page and we choose the master production schedule, and we add a product. For example, we choose bolt and nut, and so for that we can make the safety stock target as 0 because it is a level inventory, and for the minimum inventory we can make it as 12,000, and for the maximum inventory we can make it as 24,000, and we can save it as this. The last way in the purchasing plan, we can use three-way matching, purchase, reception, and deals. So and bills. So it is the purpose is make sure you only pay bills for which you received the goods you ordered. So if we want to do it in the auto page, we can go to the purchase page and we choose the settings. And there is a button about a three-way matching. So we click it. And after that, we can make sure that we can pay bills for we received the goods we ordered. So after that, Fanke will continue about the whole plan about Odoo.
Okay, thank you. So here is a diagram that is showing the process, the working process that we can make our product. So as you can see, here is a 3 brighter square, which is presenting our working center, which is preparation center, assembling line, and polish and the dyeing center. So in each work center, it will be the material or the similar product will be processed by this working center, which we call operation. So in the first working center, preparation center, we can see the operation like preparing the pack and the arm and the leg and sew up the cushions. So in the second working center, assembling line, here is the operation that we assembling our components together. So in the final working center, it's about polish and dyeing. And to build up our production plan, so it's the time that we build our VSM. We will calculate our customer demands and the cycle time. And the second thing is to calculate about the takt time. So the final is to calculate the inventory time and the wait time. And also, one of things is matter too. We need to focus on the OEE, the overall efficiency, which from this formula we can see it's equal to availability multiple the performance and times the quality. so we can get the OEE of our facility or the workshop. And the final thing is about the job shop scheduling, which at very beginning, we might not make the perfect plan for the production. So it is time that we made some change. Next, I'm gonna to showing how do we achieve this in Odoo system. So we click the manufacturing model, and you can see here is the 3 working center that we have established in our Odoo system. So you click here, you can see the bill of material, the bones. We can see a bill of list that we have to make up a chair. What is the component in the list? In here, as the Cassie just said, we will use the master production scheduling to set up and manage the production plan, to set up the safety inventory, minimum and maximum inventory here. And next thing is to see our work order. We can see here, working order plan. To click on here, we can exchange the frequency to scheduling our work plan here.我感觉需要暂停一下共享，下面应该讲什么？
下面就没有了吧？
还有这个劳力的部分，
然后把它贴到最后面就
开一个头，然后呢，就说下面有个那个 video clip to show how to make up the quality manager plan。
你可以直接不用介绍，就直接暂停以后，把它贴到我们后面就可以了，就把我们俩对话的剪掉。
不用，但不然怎么接得上呀？
哎呀，他能看得出来，我觉得。
什么能看得出来？
看你嘛，我说他知道我们要干什么。
要干什么？
就是他应该理解。
不是，他是要播放给下个学期的学生的。
好，那你就说一下了。
OK， 好的，那我开始了哈。So the final part, the quality management plan. So here is our working routines. So if there occurred a college alarms, we will do the root cause analysis to analyze the reason that causes this alarm happened. So we do it step by step and set up the quality control point, and then we will put it into the manufacturing order. If the product is meet our quality, we will accept the product. So the final thing is about the quality check. Next, I will show a clip how to set up the quality management in Odoo system.
Click Quality and create a new alert. Fill in the title, product, work center, and tags. Add a new description, not the same length. And then click Save. Confirmed. And root cause analysis. Click Edit. Add root cause. In the corrective actions, contact the Prepare Center. In the preventive actions, need to set up a quality control point. Click Save. Action proposed. We find the quality control point and create a new one. The operation is at recepts. We choose mirror. The qualified size is 25 cm and no error is allowed. The instruction in this step is mirror the char R. If the measurement fails, a report will be sent to the Prepare Center. Click Save. Finally, after the alert is processed, we choose Solved.